He's unhooking the truck.
We just unloaded at Wake County Speedway and it's very hot. We're here for practice. Race day is tomorrow, and yeah, it is very hot. It's like 96 degrees out here, and the car is probably gonna be like 120. So I'm gonna be drinking a lot of water today, but it should be a good day. Hopefully we got good speed in the car with our race run and stuff. See what we can get out of it.
For it? Not even raining, y'all. Yep, I guess we need it.
Good trailer. That ain't no feather light door right there either. We just made it to the hotel. We finished up practice. Today was practice days. We'll be racing tomorrow at Wake County. And it was awesome. It was pretty cool. Funny story. I might have left my my driver's suit at home. That was a terrible mistake that I made. So luckily we had a friend that was able to loan us a driver's suit. It's a little baggy on me, but it would do. I mean, we can do whatever it takes to try to race, and thank the Lord for them. But yeah, it was a very successful day. I can't wait to. Got a little interrupted there, but yeah, I can't wait to go tomorrow and see if we can get a top 5 or better. I mean, this will be a big opportunity race for us, and it's kind of the style racing I'm used to, so maybe that will play an advantage for us. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, I can't wait. Wake County is a very small track. It's a quarter-mile track, so I haven't been there since, like, it's been about 4 years that I've ran there in the band oil. So it's and this year they added new asphalt, so not only it's a new, I guess, track layout, but also a new car. I mean, the car is like 10 times bigger than the band oil, so yeah, it's gonna be completely different. But going out on the track was kind of fun, and it was a fun time going out there. It was very hot though. I mean, it was like 120 degrees in the car. I mean, even with the helmet hose and everything, helmet blower. Even with that, it was very hot. So I ended up drinking a lot of water next 2 days, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow morning. We don't have to go to the track too early, thank goodness. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Where's the other catfish?
Good morning. We are here in Cabela's right before we head to the racetrack. Pretty cool place. Got a little aquarium and stuff. Basically owned by Bass Pro Shops, I think. I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool place. Massive. Looks like Bass Pro Shops. But yeah, I mean, look at this. Yeah, pretty cool. Here we go. Be ready to go racing today. Gotta get ready for practice, so be out there in practice in a little bit. But yeah, can't wait. The car looks awesome, and I'm in a driver's seat that I've never been in before because I forgot mine at home. I already told y'all that, but yeah. It's very hot out here, so I'm gonna be drinking a lot of water. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for practice. Practice should be soon, but yeah, can't wait. See y'all. Okay, y'all. Practicing it has been a long while since I last talked to y'all, but it looks like it's about to downpour. I mean, just looking at all these clouds right here. It's gonna get crazy. So hopefully we can get the race in tonight, but we're not sure. we probably won't be able to qualify, but you know, it's doing alright. The car is getting better every time we get out there, getting a little more comfortable. We're just kind of fighting tires right now, so yeah, we got the car, we got stuff and everything. So yeah, it's about the downpour, so hopefully it's not too bad and we can get to racing tonight. You ready, Walter?
I'm ready. Just ready to wait and watch it rain.
Yeah, me too.
Get this thing on the road.
Yeah, sure. But I'll see y'all later. I'll try to do a pre-race and I'll get the GoPro in for the race. So yeah, bye. We made it back from the track. We went to Denny's to go eat, and we ate with Jordan and his soon-to-be wife, and yeah, it was awesome. The food took a while, so we didn't get back home to the hotel, and now it's 12:10 in the morning, so very tired, and ready to go take a shower and get ready for bed. But yeah, it's been it was a crazy race. That was one of the most hectic races we've had all year for sure, because there was a lot of fights going on after the race and in the middle of the race. I mean, the race director was yelling at people and stuff. It was crazy. That was for sure. That was definitely the most aggressive I've seen out of the whole field in a while. So yeah, we got the car back in one piece though. That's awesome, and we've been improving. That was probably one of the biggest improvements we've had in the car and myself. I mean, I was so dedicated from KOA to like do so much better this today or yesterday, I guess, and it definitely showed. So we're gonna keep improving. We'll be at Hickory in July 29th, I think. So yeah, we'll be there. Be the big throwback race. It'll be cool to do a throwback skiing. Just the money right now be kind of hard, but yeah, that was awesome. Thank y'all for watching the video. Hope y'all like it. Like the video, subscribe, share, anything's appreciated. Yeah, I just want to thank all my sponsors. I have all of them popping up somewhere. But yeah, thank you again. See ya. Bye.